Okay, boys. So the first step you need to do is to open up the Kodu Games Lab. So when you're opening up, make sure that you select the green Kodu and not the gray Kodu. Gray Kodu is your settings. The green Kodu will open up the Games Lab. When you open the Kodu, you don't need to sign in. You can just click on cancel. First thing we're going to do is create a new world. New world, and we're going to choose the empty world. So it's going to be a blank world. Now, when you get into the world, you'll see that it's already grass. What we want to do is create a Mars terrain. So the first thing we select is our paintbrush. And in the top left-hand corner of the paintbrush, you'll find 4 cubes. We need to click this, and it allows us to change the type of terrain. So if you use the right arrow key, you can come across and choose your terrain. I'm going to use number 17, make it look like a Mars terrain. Now, when you've selected that, when you left click on the ground now, it will create a Mars terrain. You want to make a relatively big terrain. We want to fit in our 2 craters, all of our objects, and at least 1 hill. So make it nice and big. Not too big though, or it will take you all day to finish it. Okay, so I'm just going to go with that size. And the first thing I'm going to do is add in my hill. So beside my paintbrush, you will find your hill and valley option. So if I left click on this, come back onto the map with my pointer, and you can see that it will start to make a hill for us. So whenever I left click, it will create a hill. So I'm just going to make this corner into my hill. Make it gradually slope down. At the minute it is all stepped, so to smooth this off, to make it a gentle slope, we choose the Nix tool over, and it's the smooth terrain tool. Left click on that, come back in to our world with the pointer, and we can smooth off our hills. You can see that it starts to gradually get smoother. Bring some parts up and other parts down, and makes it all nice and smooth. We want it smooth enough for our rover to be able to drive up. If it's a straight climb, the rover will not be able to drive up. Okay, so just keep left click, and it will smooth off for you. Okay, so that's the first corner. That is my hill. Okay, in the second corner, I'm going to create a crater now. The crater is like a bowl. Okay, and we'll show you how to create the crater in the second video.